Everybody, so I wanted to introduce you to my new puppy. This is Osha. I just adopted Osha. She was living with a highway patrolman who found her abandoned on the side of the road, and now she's living with us. This is Cola, my old German Shepherd, and she is 12 years old and gets along very well with Osha. Osha's such a sweet girl, and I'm really lucky that I got her. So I wanted to introduce you to my new puppy. I'm not able to do a farm report right now because I am evacuated from the fire. So I thought I would do a dog report. Let's see if I can get them to go play, get some action. Well, I was hoping to get them to play for you guys, but they've been pretty sleepy lying around. This is my friend's backyard I'm staying with right now, and we're so lucky to be here. And the dogs have lots of room to run around. So Osha is a 6-month-old puppy, a purebred German Shepherd, and she is very sweet, and so far she's been pretty good with the cats and the chickens. And she gets along with all the dogs, and she gets along with kids, so I'm really lucky. Sometimes when you adopt a dog, you don't really know if they're going to be nice or not. You have no idea until you keep that dog around. She's even gotten out a few times and didn't run away, so we're pretty lucky. And I'm pretty lucky to have Cola here too. I've had Cola for 12 years now, and she's so old. You see how gray she is? And she used to look just like Osha. And now she's really old. But she's healthy and she runs around and plays. And she likes it here, so she's happy. Thank you. I'm glad I got to introduce you to Osha. And stay tuned. I will definitely have more farm updates when we get to go back home. Our property is fine, and we're just not allowed to go home yet because they want to make sure it's safe. And we've evacuated the pigs, so they are on a little vacation right now. And we will stay in touch, and I will definitely post more videos as soon as I can. All right, say bye to Osha.